Of the Afrikaner, which is Afrikaans, we are facing immense challenges. The South African government is currently taking deliberate actions to dilute and eventually eradicate Afrikaans as a language, as a mother tongue language of education. We request the UPO General Assembly to note that although English mother tongue speakers only comprise the fourth largest language group in South Africa, 21 of the 25 public universities in South Africa are currently single medium English universities. The other four are double medium English universities. Despite the fact that Afrikaans speakers remain the third largest language group in South Africa, there is no single medium Afrikaans university. There is current concerted efforts to transform all institutions of higher learning to single medium English universities. The South African government is also continuing to establish new universities which are only English universities and only provides English as the medium of instruction. The South African government is also forcing Afrikaans medium primary and secondary schools to accept non-Afrikaans speaking learners, which eventually leads to the transformation of the schools into English medium schools. Although the majority of Afrikaans mother tongue speakers in South Africa are not white, racial transformation is used as a guise for the eradication of Afrikaans as a medium of instruction. Although the Constitution of South Africa provides that Afrikaans is an official language, in practice it is not afforded the functions of higher education. We therefore ask the UNPO General Assembly to condemn the systematic discrimination committed with impunity, not only against the 2.7 million white Afrikaans speakers, but also the 3.4 million colored and 602,000 black Afrikaans speakers. We also ask that the General Assembly call upon the South African government to afford equal education opportunities for all its people in their mother tongue in terms of the South African Constitution.